I set the starting point for verbal at about 1. Of course, this is just an estimate. And as we can see in verbal, this student's performance shows that he got more questions wrong. We can see that he got questions 1, 6, 7, 10, 12, 14, and then a streak of mistakes from 16 to 20, all incorrect. Of course, in the design, I included all of this as well. This student also didn't go back to change any answers later. Okay, let's look at the results we got. As you can see, this student's final verbal percentile is 57th percentile, which is actually quite close to our final estimated outcome. Now, let's look at the process in the middle and see which questions have a greater impact on the score estimation and which questions are the ones I got wrong but shouldn't have. We can see in the verbal section that roughly in the earlier part of the test, the questions have a significant impact on the percentile estimation. This corresponds to what we mentioned earlier. For the first 8 questions or so, students can appropriately spend a bit more time on each question, about an extra half a minute per question, to carefully check their answers. Try not to use the mark for review or change answer function just yet, because mistakes in this section will seriously affect your score estimation. Even if you come back later and correct it, the damage is already done when it pushes you back to an easier difficulty level.